Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice. What can you see? I can see a flower. I can see flowers. Number 1. What can you see? I can see a flower. Number 2. What can you see? I can see lakes. Number 3. What can you see? I can see trees. Number 4. What can you see? I can see hills. Number 5. What can you see? I can see a rock. Number 6. What can you see? I can see rivers. Now it's your turn. What can you see? Number 1. Number 2. What can you see? Number 3. What can you see? Number 4. What can you see? Number 5. What can you see? And number 6. What can you see?